If you are a student and you feel lost right now, listen to me. I know how confusing school can feel when you don't see results. But struggling doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are learning. Your job as a student is simple. Study hard, study smart, and stay consistent. Even 1 hour focus a day can change your future if you don't quit. You don't need to be the smartest. You just need to keep going. Be patient with yourself. Growth takes time. If this helped you, subscribe. I post simple study guidance to help students improve step by step. Thank you for watching. See you on next one.